Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and I just made almost the exact same video using a circle. And while it was loading, I thought, because I'd made that video over a year and a half ago, and somebody couldn't understand what I was saying, so I just remade it. And you would never just make a circle and cut it in half, not with the tools you have inside Corel. But I started off with this shape, and I ended up using the smoothing tool and the shape tool to get this shape if I was going to do that. But the reason I'm making this video is because you could make that, it would take you forever, and I don't think you'd ever get it exactly right to do it on both sides equally, because we could even take out that node right there and change it up just a hair, and you can see how we can change it up. So what I would do is hit P on the keyboard, take our line and hold down the control button and hit P again, and just use the virtual segment delete key to take away those lines. And you can actually hit delete and take away that line. Control D and make a duplicate, and keep your finger on the control key and just slowly move it over. And now you've got that exact shape, and you can do a couple of things. You can weld it. I like using the Smart Fill tool. But that way you have a symmetrical item on both sides that I don't think you could do without doing it this way. And it's really not even that shape. You know, I made another video years ago on a lock with some artwork in it. I had a lot of artwork in it. Well, I just did half the artwork and then transferred to the other half, and it was symmetrical. So anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.